Garrison Locks Ford Hykee lock upgrades are designed to protect your van, ensuring the safety of both your van and its contents. We have 3 lock system solutions to suit your needs. Transit MK7. Locks are being picked open, meaning upgrades are essential. For added security, add on the AP015 modified armor plate to help secure the lock in the door and to offer maximum protection. Transit MK8. Upgrade the lock with our Hykee lock upgrade, now available with security bezel or armor plate. Transit Custom. Upgrade your lock with our Ford lock upgrade with security bezel or add on the AP194 modified armor plate. All central locking still works as normal, and these are an easy DIY installation.